Hi! So this channel has been having a bit of a midlife crisis. I didn't know exactly what I wanted to make with it. Well, I knew exactly what I wanted to become out of this channel. I wanted to do tech stuff and tech reviews, but somehow making favorites at the end of the month was still way too comfortable. So it's 2017, the year of big changes. So I'm telling you right now, if you like my review videos and my Kickstarter and tech videos, please go to this channel because that's where everything is going to be. All the Pebble updates, all future tech reviews, for example, what I'm gonna do with my iPhone and so on and so forth, is going to be on this channel. And this channel right here is going to return to its basics. It's going to return to me. That was really hard to say. And I know you don't like it, but that's how it's going to be. If you like my English stuff, my review videos, things like that, Cat 4K is the way to go. If you like my Slovenian videos, the makeup tutorials, the chit-chat videos and things like that, Me Time Škatlica is the way to go. If you just still like to see random stuff that I might put out, then just stay here. So yeah, there might be a lot of vlogs here. There might. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea, actually. So yeah, this is the first big change of 2017. I'm gonna start doing what I am preaching, and I'm gonna follow the instructions I give to everybody else but don't use for myself. So that's it. It's time for me to move on. Bye.